Hi everyone, welcome to Create Eat Happy. This is OCHIKERON. Today I wanted to reflect on 2020 and move forward to 2021. So how was your 2020? I haven't been feeling stressed, but my hair thinned out in the end of the year, so I should have been feeling stressed without realizing it. COVID-19 cases are still rising. I think this year we spent a lot for sterilization and also house cleaning. If you remember my post about the house cleaning experience, that was the terrible one. That was the most stressful moment. And if you go out there, so many restrictions and you are always told not to do something if you're not paying attention enough, you know what I mean, like eating outside, or if you're not keeping distance between people, you know what I mean, that's too many rules. Wearing mask is a pretty common thing in winter in Japan, so many people didn't have that much problem about that, but there are so many things that we have to take care, and I know everyone is tired of it. As you know, I use cooking as an outlet, but hot springs really help me a lot to relax. We've been to hot springs for 3 times this year. Where we went are private hot springs, so I think it's a little safer than the public hot springs, but we still need to be careful, of course. Yes, I will of course stay safe. I thank you everyone for stopping by. I think YouTube is not an easy place for these few years, because you can't really share your updates with your subscribers, even they're subscribed. But anyway, I found it really nice that people are stopping by and saying hello to me like friends, but I'm hoping someday it improves. I mean, I don't know. So if you have a plan to visit Japan, please go to the hot springs. It is really relaxing. Take care, stay safe. I know you are hearing it too many times, but that's really important, even if it is stressful with restrictions. I understand you. It sounds like I'm finishing 2020. I just wanted to make this video before the year ends because time flies. There was not only the negative side about staying home. I could take time with my kids and let them study, help them study every day. So now they're still doing their Kumon homework every single day. That's a big change. Before the COVID-19, they didn't do it. Anyway, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any of my new videos. I will see you in the next video.
どうですか？美味しい？ビヨーンってなりました。そこにこの熱々のお味噌汁をつけて温めて、それからこの糸をスパーンと切ったらもう切れた。すごい切れました。 すごい歩いたね。一周回ってきたよ。すごいね。どうでしたか？楽しかった？
すごいね、上手だ。
すごいすごいすごい。すごいすごい。すごいすごいすごい。パパばっかり出てきてるよ。
これがお風呂です。まるで銭湯みたいな素敵な。それがトイレです。はい、これが露天風呂です。素敵。素敵だね、露天風呂。はい、そして玄関です。こちらが少し閉めちゃった。そしてこちらが和室です。素敵。
あ、上手。
スイートルームに移動いたします。開けてみましょう。オープン。じゃあ靴をみんな脱ごうね。すごいね。
お魚もいる。お魚よしよしできるね。
このマヨの歯ブラシが入ってんだね。すごいね。違った？
板ですごいすごい。ミート板で泳いでるよ。 終わったってよく進むようになったね。あそこまで行けんのすごいね。すごいすごいすごい。あんなとこまで行っちゃったよ。
今日は赤ちをしに来ました。
スイートと違うね。見て。でもいいね。香りがいいね。すごいすごい。あ、上手上手。